This is Bodhi, a mainly Ubuntu-based Linux distribution with a unique window manager. It comes in a variety of editions/flavors, as well as a 32-bit legacy edition. I'll use the standard release for this video. These are the virtual machine specs. Bodhi is a lightweight operating system that's similar to Ubuntu in terms of performance. This one, however, comes with a unique theme called Moksha. This is what the main desktop looks like when it boots up. To install it, double-click on Install Bodhi Linux. Just like any other Ubuntu-based Linux, it comes with this very user-friendly installer. Set up your preferences, disk partitions, user account info, and that's it. You can set up custom partitions, or you can simply select Erase Disk and install Bodhi to proceed automatically. When it finishes installing, it'll display this prompt. Now reboot, remove the install media, and it should boot from the hard drive. This is its resource usage. It uses around 750 megabytes of RAM on idle and around 7.5 gigabytes of disk space. These are all the applications that come with Bodhi. Appearance/visual theme is very customizable with lots of options. The pre-installed web browser is Chromium. This is its resource usage when playing a YouTube video. That's pretty much it for Bodhi.